What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike, 150 Yinzer Picker. If you guys are new here, remember, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and share the video if you'd like. Also, feel free to comment down below. We like reading your comments. This video is going to be super short. I know I've said that in the past, and then the video goes 10-15 minutes. But no, this one's going to be short. Me and my daughter went to an estate sale this morning. Started at 7:30 a.m. We arrived at 7:40. Place was packed. It was in a very high-class area near us, but we still found some things that I think we could turn around and make a profit on. So I'm going to show you these items, tell you what we paid for them. I can't really tell you what I think I'm going to get for them because I'm not 100% sure at the moment because we really didn't comp anything. There was signs up saying no filming, so we didn't film, but you'll see the thumbnail and it shows you kind of what was there and maybe what we bought. So one of the first things we found was this Amazon Fire Kids tablet for $5. Now, we have a young kid who doesn't have one, so she may end up using this once we charge it up. We're not 100% sure yet, but we're going to find out. But for $5, I couldn't pass it up. Also came with a nice bag. Also, what was in the bag that caught my attention was this. It's a SanDisk memory card. Didn't notice how big the memory card was at first. But this memory card is 48 megabytes, which is not a huge memory card. But I could probably still turn around and make a profit on this for maybe even $5 to pay for the Kindle tablet. So keep it sealed. We'll look them up and see how much this thing actually sells for. I know our cameras, even the one I'm filming on now and the one that my wife uses, we use bigger camera cards for that. Just holds more storage and that's what we need. So this we really don't have too big of a use for, but I know somebody will buy this. The one thing I'm not going to show you is my daughter found some nice watercolor pens for $5, a 24 set. So she picked those up. She's actually out there now coloring with them. So she's using those. And yeah, she's using those. We did find 2 pieces of clothing there. The clothing, which was weird, it was marked anywhere from $5 to $100. Pretty wide range for clothing. Now there were some dresses there that were coming in, peeking around the corner. There were some dresses there, $100 dresses, $300 dresses, some high-end stuff. There was some silver, multiple items that just were way out of my price range. Maybe I could have made money, but I did not feel comfortable buying this stuff. Now, when we were actually checking out, the lady in front of me found a Dyson hairdryer for $95. Now, I don't know if I missed it. I don't know if she grabbed it before I even saw it sitting there, but for $95, this thing would sell anywhere from $350 to $400. So if I would have saw that, I probably would have picked it up, but I missed it and things happen. But we did find 2 pieces of clothing that were not marked price-wise. Got up to the cashier and they told me for $4 each. So these next 2 items we got for $4. The first one was this Vineyard Vines. Long sleeve, quarter zip. Nice, perfect size, a medium for women. That is a perfect size, but really nice for $4. We're staying on the Vineyard Vines thing here. Another Vineyard Vines little pullover. Nice and light blue size. Medium again. So this is nice, lightweight. I do not think we're going to have a hard time selling these. Even if I get $15 for them each, I still think we'll do well. So we'll get these listed up and hopefully see these move super soon. So last but not least, and like I said, I told you this video was going to be super short, and we're probably going to be right about 5 minutes, so which is super good. But if you notice in the thumbnail, there was a ton of stuff in the kitchen that this is the first time I can honestly say at a estate sale that I found this stuff. There was a bunch of liquor and wine. So we ended up picking up a bottle of Tito's for $18. Now this is about half the price that they go for in the store. It was open, maybe a shot was taken out of it, which I really didn't notice at first, but yeah, it smells like Tito's. I don't think there's anything added to this. My wife wants me to take one for the team. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. But for $18, hopefully it's good. So that is what we found at this estate sale. We were probably only there maybe 15-20 minutes. There was just a lot of stuff that, like I said, I didn't feel comfortable purchasing. and the place was packed. It was yeah, it was a crazy estate sale. I wish I'd have probably looked up more stuff, but I just have a feeling that some of it was just priced way too high, and I don't think there was any way to make money. And I've said it in the past, some of these estate sales that are run by companies just overprice the stuff, and people don't question it. They really can't, because they don't take the prices down until a certain time of the day. This estate sale wasn't that bad as some of the other ones we've been to prior, so it is what it is, right? But I still think we can make some money. So remember, guys, hit that subscribe button, like and share, and tune in. We're gonna have some great videos coming up. Check out our community tab. We made a post. If you guys have any ideas, something that you want to see, because you guys are the ones that are watching these videos, let us know. We can do a video and then post it. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.